Hi everyone, this is Monika Singh and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So as you guys know, I've started a series where I will visit Ranchi's cafe and restaurant and will share my honest review on them. So today I've visited Life at Zoe, which is the newly opened restaurant in Ranchi. Zoe is located on the fourth floor of JD High Street Mall, Main Road, Ranchi, and I've just entered the restaurant and look at the view. The restaurant boasts a classy and premium ambience with nature inspired decor that provides a serene atmosphere. Also, it is a great spot for families and friends together. I love the restaurant vibe. It is so soothing, so calming, and I especially visited this restaurant because of the nature inspired theme. I would highly recommend this place to someone who loves clicking pictures like me. This is a perfect photogenic place to get awesome pictures, and each and every corner has my heart because of this really cute living plants. You guys know how much I love nature. I'm here in the washroom. I'm just checking myself. Yeah, I look perfect. And now it's time to have something, so I'm deciding the food that I'm going to order. And here is their menu. So I found their menu quite reasonable, you guys can see. And I just have ordered paneer lababdar and veg fried rice. And look at the food presentation, it looks so good. Also, I've ordered veg hakka noodles, which I've almost eaten. And now it's time to grade the food. So I'm just giving 6 out of 10 because I really did not enjoy the food here. So they should really enhance the food taste. And that's my honest review. So I'm done with the food and I'm literally so full now. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog and found this video interesting and helpful. Then make sure you like this video and comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.